Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to stream on YouTube Shorts. Live streaming on YouTube Shorts allows you to connect with your audience in real time and engage with viewers instantly. So let's go through the steps on how to start a live stream for your shorts. The first step is to check eligibility for live streaming. You need at least 50 subscribers to go live from a mobile device, and your account must follow the YouTube's guideline, and you shouldn't have any live streaming restrictions. And after that, after making sure of the eligibility for live streaming, open the YouTube app. And then open YouTube's live streaming by opening the YouTube app and tapping the plus button at the bottom right here. And then select live. Now here there's a message that appears that asks you to go live. You have to allow access to camera and microphone. Set up your live stream and add a title. Set visibility, whether public, unlisted or private, and choose an appropriate category. After that, select short format by ensuring your camera is vertical before starting, and you can enable monetizing if eligible. After that, start and manage your live stream. And to do that, just tap go live and your audience will start joining and engage with viewers by responding to live comments and using stickers, pinned messages and polls. And when done, tap end stream. Ensure you have good lighting and clear audio for a better experience, and promote your live stream beforehand to maximize viewership. And YouTube may take 24 hours to enable live stream on your account if it's your first time. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you live stream on YouTube Shorts. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.